Alright, we're gonna liberate this bird from her packaging and get it ready for dressing. Be sure to remove all the contents of the cavity. Once freed from the packaging, we want to make sure we drain out as much of this liquid as possible. This next step's totally optional. I clipped off the tail. It'll be going with the other parts to make my giblet gravy. Now that we have the cavity stuffed with all that goodness, I always try to take a onion wedge or a apple wedge and stuff it into that neck cavity. This is going to help with the cooking process. Now we're ready to inject. We're going to load this baby up with as much savory goodness as possible. Look at this. Look at how we just plump that baby up with flavor. This is going to make this bird taste awesome. Be sure to hit all the parts, the breast, the legs, the thighs, even the wings as well. Injection does several things. One, it helps it retain moisture during the cooking process. And two, it also allows you to flavor and season the meat from the inside. And three, come on folks, we gotta keep in mind this is our centerpiece. This is the main event. So let's help it be the main event by making it something that folk will remember, something that's appealing to the eye as well as to the taste buds. You can make your own injection or you could purchase an injection, but nevertheless, once you start, you'll never stop. You'll never ever cook another turkey without injection. I guarantee it. Now that I'm done injecting, I usually take a little bit of injection, squirt it all over the outside of the bird. I use the injection as a binder for my seasoning. Now that we seasoned the inside, now we're preparing to season the outside to have this baby tasting good both inside and out. Now we're ready to get some flavor on the outside. I'm going to use some seasoned salt, some garlic powder, and then I'm going to rub it all over the bird. I'll get it worked in all those hard to reach places. And then after that, I'm going to grab my favorite barbecue rub and give it a light dusting. The barbecue rub is primarily for me to give it a little bit more color during the cooking process. Be sure not to go too heavy with your rub, because we're not seasoning a brisket, we just give it a little color. Now she's ready for the cooker. Let's get her in. Now that we have her in the cooker, I got a pan underneath. As you can see, I got that pan there to catch the renderings, which I'm going to use to make my giblet gravy. Alright, first hour, it's time to hit it with a little cooking spray. I'm using cooking spray in place of basting. Basting would do the same thing. All we're doing is add a little moisture. We're going to help maintain that skin integrity, and we're going to help it crisp up. It's also helping look nice too. Look at that. It looks awesome after 1 hour. I love this cooking. All right. Now I'm gonna do this. Continue to do this basic process on the hour, every hour until I reach my total temp. My desired total temp would be 175. I got it in the thigh, and then also to give you a look at what I got in the other cooker. Check this out. Yes, wood fire pumpkin pie. Man, I can't wait to get a slice of that. Look at those babies. They look awesome, don't they? Wow. All right, we come up on the final basting, or spraying, whatever you want to call it, and man, we're ready to pull this baby out. I want to wish you much success on your next cook, and hey, hit that bell to stay up to date on our latest content.